Hello, it's the puppy. Okay, Galaxy, and hello. Today I will be answering some of your questions. Anyway, I will be playing some games. Well, thank you, answers. Let's start with Bed Wars. I'm just gonna play some. Let's play some Bed Wars squads. And I will be answering some questions like, what is the time of release? Oh, what is the time of release? What is time of release? The actors that will be in it, their names, and some other ideas, stuff just you probably won't. I have some iron. No. I will, yes. Cute. You have some. Anyway. So, the time of release, it will be anywhere between, if I had to guess or predict, educational prediction is about anywhere between November to early 2025.
Huh?
Jesus Christ, I mean. Wait a minute. 5. Anyway. So, yes, anywhere between November 1st to early 2025. Hopefully that answered that question. And next, we have the actors. So, we know, I'll get to the Bonnie actor last. Me is obviously Puppet, as I said in the announcement trailer.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? And then the Foxy actor is Gunnar123. The Chica actor is Tabletop Puppy. And the Freddy actor is Gamer Boy. Which will actually, if you're watching this, he probably might not be, since this will also be in clips, won't just be a video, since I don't know how long the video is going to last. Thank you, if you're watching this, thank you for being lots of help, because it really helped in the production and finding actors. You are actually the reason why I have all these actors. And my bed just got destroyed. Now I just need to stay alive. So, thank you for helping me in all of this, all through finding actors and stuff. You're the first person to see my map, and that's it. Time of recording, I haven't even showed anyone else, and thank you for helping me. You were my first actor that I got. You are such a great help, I've got to say. Thank you, and then the Bonnie actor is one of you guys, or at least it can be. One of you can be the Bonnie actor. We still need it, so please comment below on the video if you want to be it. If you're on PC, it probably won't work. I'm sad to say that. That's only because I'm on PlayStation, and even though all my apps are on Xbox, I've got the Xbox app, downloaded it, and stuff. So if on PlayStation like me and you want to be about the actor, download the Xbox app, make a random account, and add me. Then I'll tell you to add everybody else. But yeah. So make sure to comment below in this video if you want to be a Bonnie actor. Anyway. I did, so yeah, I hope, yeah, that's what I was saying, that one, so that's what I said. I'm gonna get them diamonds. Getting some diamonds. Now nobody can get diamonds, I'm joking. What if I just block myself in for the rest of the game? Nobody be getting this. I don't want this helmet. I'll give it to my trainer. I don't know why. What the? I left for 2 seconds. Bro, we evolved. We need to a cave plan into a fur. Oh my god, it's a. Oh my god, this is 2024. Sorry. I need one more, come on. Yes, let's go. I might play this again with my actors, especially Game Boy. I want to play it with. Baby. Ain't nobody getting into this bed. Oh, boop, boop, boop. Upgrade, 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 upgrade. Yeah. Upgrading this. Oops. Oh, just for that. Ain't no way this dude do that. Technoblade never dies. Yeah. And his legend will always live on. Hectic to hope. No. Just build. Oh. What?
Hopefully I win this. The puppies will always win. And I don't know I have a trail and a thing, but meh. Dungeon? No, no! House? Okay, starting with Spruce, of course. Yeah. Glass. I'd have to be house. I'm literally good at nearly making every single house you could think of, except 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. It's gonna be a nice little cottage. It's gonna be. Should I? Yeah, let's make it a nice little cottage. Nice, yeah, very nice. Not stress. Shouldn't be stressful at all. Green, green grass, blue, blue skies. I'm gonna die in these build battlegrounds. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. I'm gonna die in this very house now. Everybody's house is gonna be way better than this. I'm so dead. There are 3 minutes left. I'm so dead. Jesus. Ah. This house has like 100. I wish I didn't just. I wish I did. This is giving me dead. It's giving me rubbish vibes. Don't you? Do something. No, that's trash. Totally dead. No! I'm totally dead. Yeah, actually, I'm just gonna wait. It's okay. I'm definitely waiting that on, honestly, not on what. Good. It's good. It's a basic Minecraft house. It's not great. It's not okay. It's not meh. It's just good. I'm getting monetized. I'm getting money. Help, report. In a submit. I'm getting monetized. Okay, it's the best one I've seen. It's best. What if I meant to make it good, not great? Oh, that car, I'm getting. Oh, I'm not even going to describe how I saw her. I'm definitely blurring that out. There's no way that's getting through my system. Oh, what was that? I'm traumatized. Traumatized for life. It's not. Didn't have enough time. Oh no! Ah, definitely. What is this? Please tell me it's at least if it's not. Oh, they blocked it. They blocked it so we can't see in. It's okay. They tried the best on the outside, just the inside is kind of tried to block it out. Anyway. Okay, at least, okay, now it's a normal house. Yeah. Good. Why? What is wrong with people? And what the? Hey, it looks like me. Black, white, goes green. Yeah. Nice. Right. What is this? At least it's nothing, traumatizing. Oh my god, I got on the. How do I get on the leaderboard? Dun 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 dun. No. 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 I'm getting a safety helmet. I can't. I'm not getting. There's no. That's what it's got. I'm sick on this game. Penguin. Yeah, penguin. Seems easy. Penguin. Penguin. It's a penguin. Yeah, I said it's a penguin. It's. Hopefully nobody under the age of 10 watches that. This video in general. What is that? I swear to God, if someone makes a penguin with a thingy. I mean, anyway, let's move. Let's not talk about that topic anymore. It looks nice. That's why I'm kind of traumatized, you know. Making a normal penguin, hopefully two becomes a. What is this? What is this? You may be asking. Well, I don't know. Whee! Safety helmet for my for the safety of me not getting traumatized this time. In the puppet's making a penguin. The puppet penguin. I should put puppet on it, but that probably won't make it one. I mean, it might. It's the same puppet fans. So I don't know why I chose puppet. I just did. That's another question that I answered. Why puppet? I don't know. Bang bang boom bosh. S penguin into. I'm giving the penguin a gun. I'm totally with the people in this game. Oh, I'm winning if I give it. Hopefully nobody thinks it's. Look at it. I'm winning. Excuse me, what is this? I think they're wearing a penguin, not a fat glob of blackness with a bit of white and orange flip-flops on. Okay, nice. It's okay. Oh, wait, is this the whoop 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 whoop? It's the whoop whoop. So it's the, do you know that one meme that goes whoop whoop? Or however it goes. I'll play a clip of it. Oh my god, yes. It's okay. It's not best. If it was bigger, it'd be. Great, it's great. Oh yeah, I should have had the bit of yellow, you know, the bit of yellow. What they have? Oh, this is mine. Well, no. It's okay. It's not. Did it get run over by a truck or something? I think it got run over by a truck. Can somebody call the ambulance? I'm gonna go call the ambulance. Anyway, I feel like this play is gonna be coming top. This play is definitely coming top. What did I rate? I think I accidentally. This is great. If I didn't rate this great, then I'm not rating anything love since. Nope, that came straight out my nightmares. Nope, I'm just gonna hide in this corner now. Nope, I quit. Nope. Nope, I'm not staring at that pic that came out my nightmares. What is that? Somebody screenshot this. Fucking good. It's not great, it's just hilariously good. Where's its head? There's no way you ran out of time. I made one bigger than that. It would be great if it had a head. Where's the head? Another one over penguin. That's okay. Hopefully the penguin's okay. What if I just report it for no reason except it's animal abuse to penguins, making a penguin get run over. Oh my god, it good. I probably got the higher ratings out of everything. Not like on my build, on other people's builds I've rated. Wait, what's this? Oh, it would be cool if they added something inside though. Or maybe like a little base. Game over. Yeah, let's play something else. Back to hub. Hide and seek. Play this one. Go with this one. Oh my gosh! Anyway. Oh wait, the game hasn't even started. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, no, I meant what? Oh. Nope, I am not getting hit by any here. Let's go. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Run! Yeah, I'm not dying.
I didn't get that.
Vroom. Which way? Vroom, vroom, I'm on my sky. I don't even know what it does. I hate you all. Mr. Skelly. Oh, oh, wait, they disappear. Let me on. Oh. Wee. I finished 14th place. Yay, 14th place. And I think I'm gonna wrap it up for that video. See you next time. Whether we're having another one of these game talk things, or rather in the actual roleplay. I'll see you next time when they're a bit for play. Bye!